To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The now-defunct Mobility Beyond Imagination investment scheme thrived for years by feeding off investor greed and projecting a facade of legitimacy through physical assets, says fund manager Neo Geoman. Speaking to the New Straits Times beyond the headlines, Neo, of TradeView Capital, said investors are often aware of the risks behind schemes promising high returns, but greed frequently overrides sound judgment. People who invest in these schemes are often well informed, but they still fall for promises that are simply too good to be true, he said. The Securities and Exchange Board of India on the 28th of April asked brokers to collect margins from their clients by T+1 settlement cycle. Brokers are required to mandatorily collect upfront value at risk margins and extreme loss margin for their clients. They have time till T+2 working days to collect margins except VAR and ELM from their clients. Since the 27th of January 2023, settlement cycle has been reduced from T+2 to T+1 across all scrips in cash market. In this regard, based on representation received from the Brokers Industry Standards Forum and to ensure a more robust risk management framework, it has been decided that keeping in view the change in the settlement cycles, the trading and clearing members shall be required to collect margins, except VAR margins and ELM, from clients by settlement day, SEBI said. It said if client fails to make pay-in by settlement day and the broker doesn't collect other margins by settlement day, same would result in penalty. The Securities and Exchange Board of India cautioned investors against dealing with platforms known as opinion trading platforms, which do not come under its regulatory purview. The regulator said opinion trading platforms provide their users or participants a platform to trade or enter into arrangements wherein the payout is dependent on the outcome of a yes or no proposition of happening or not happening of the underlying event. In some cases, opinion trading platforms are designed in a manner so as to resemble an investment platform as they use terminologies such as profits, stop loss, trading etc., terms closely associated with trades in securities. Cryptocurrency made a big splash when it was approved for trading in exchange-traded funds in 2024. Now, investors looking to buy cryptocurrency through mutual funds have a few ways to do so, following the launch of ProShares mutual funds for Bitcoin and Ethereum. ProShares mutual fund affiliate ProFunds launched the Ether ProFund in late February, following the debut of the Bitcoin ProFund in mid-2021. Both funds aim to track the price performance of their underlying cryptocurrencies, and they're the first mutual funds to track these cryptos. But investors need to understand exactly what they're buying with these funds. Asian stock markets and US futures rose on Friday as signs of possible trade talks between the US and China lifted risk sentiment after lackluster earnings from tech bellwethers Apple and Amazon fueled worries about the impact of tariffs. China's Commerce Ministry said the United States has repeatedly expressed its willingness to negotiate on tariffs and that Beijing's door is open for talks. Watch the latest episode of Coffee Talk to find out about what is going on in the industry, exclusively on FIMM's official YouTube channel. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.